Hey there! Imagine stepping into your garden this January and seeing it full of life, colorful flowers, fresh veggies, and fragrant herbs. It's not just a dream, it's totally achievable, even in the middle of winter. If you're in Zone 9, you already have an edge. Mild winters and long growing seasons make it one of the best places to garden, even during the off-season. But here's the secret: choosing the right plants for this time of year is the key to success. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your Zone 9 garden into a winter haven. We'll go over flowers that add color, vegetables that thrive in cooler weather, and herbs you'll love having on hand. Plus, I'll share some easy tips to keep your plants thriving all season long. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make your garden a productive space this winter. Let's dive in. Zone 9 is like a gardener's paradise. While others are dealing with snow, you can still grow fresh vegetables and flowers. That's the beauty of mild winters and an extended growing season. But even Zone 9 has its challenges. For example, those occasional cold spells can sneak up on you. Ever had a frost warning out of the blue? It happens. And then there's the rain. It can either be too much or too little, depending on the year. That's why it's essential to choose plants that can handle these surprises. The best part? There are so many options that not only survive, but thrive in this special climate.
1. Flowers.
Pansies. Pansies are true winter champions. These little flowers come in so many colors, from bright yellows and purples to deep blues and whites. They're incredibly resilient and handle frost with ease. Just plant them in soil that drains well and they'll reward you with cheerful blooms all season long. The best part? They keep blooming even when it's cold, making them one of the easiest flowers to care for in winter. Snapdragons. Next up are snapdragons. These tall, colorful flowers love cool weather and come in a variety of shades, from soft pastels to bold reds and oranges. One amazing thing about snapdragons is that they attract pollinators like bees, even in the colder months. So you're not just getting beautiful blooms, you're also helping the environment. Just make sure they're planted in a sunny spot and they'll thrive. Calendula.
Finally, we have calendula.
This flower is like a little ray of sunshine in your garden. It's bright, cheerful, and easy to grow. But what's even better? Calendula is edible. You can add its petals to salads or use them to decorate cakes and desserts. Plus, it's super low maintenance, so even if you're new to gardening, you'll find it easy to grow. Vegetables. Now, let's move on to the vegetables. These are the plants that'll not only make your garden look great, but also give you fresh, delicious produce right from your backyard. Kale. Kale is the king of winter greens. It's super healthy and packed with nutrients, and the best part is it loves the cold. In fact, kale tastes even better after a light frost because the cold makes it sweeter. Plant it now, and you'll have fresh greens for salads, smoothies, or soups all winter long. Kale is also very forgiving. It doesn't require much care, so it's perfect for busy gardeners.
Broccoli.
Broccoli is another winter favorite. If you plant it now, you'll be harvesting fresh, crunchy heads in no time. Just make sure to give it plenty of space to grow because broccoli plants can get pretty big.
They love cool weather, so January is the perfect time to get them started.
And trust me, homegrown broccoli tastes so much better than anything you'll find at the store. Carrots. Carrots are one of the easiest vegetables to grow in cool weather. They thrive in soil that's on the cooler side, so winter is an ideal time to plant them. Simply sow the seeds directly into your garden, no need for fancy equipment or greenhouses. In a few weeks, you'll start to see the tiny green tops poking out of the soil. By early spring, you'll have sweet, crunchy carrots ready to harvest. Herbs? Finally, let's talk about herbs. These are the plants that not only add flavor to your meals, but also bring a touch of greenery to your garden. Parsley.
Parsley is a true winter warrior.
It grows well in containers, so if you don't have much garden space, you can still grow it on your balcony or windowsill. You can also plant it directly in the garden. It's super versatile.
Parsley doesn't mind the cold and keeps growing steadily throughout winter.
Plus, it's so handy to have fresh parsley on hand for soups, salads, or garnishing your dishes. Cilantro. If you love fresh salsa, then cilantro is a must-have in your garden. This herb loves cool weather and grows super fast, so you won't have to wait long to start harvesting. Just plant the seeds in a sunny spot, and in no time, you'll have plenty of fresh cilantro for your guacamole, tacos, or soups. And here's a tip: harvest it regularly to encourage more growth. Shives. Last but not least, we have chives. These are one of the easiest herbs to grow and maintain. They don't need much care, just plant them in a sunny spot, and they'll keep growing all winter long. Chives are perfect for snipping and adding to your meals, whether it's scrambled eggs, soups, or baked potatoes. Plus, their bright green leaves add a touch of freshness to your garden, even in the dead of winter. So, there you have it, a simple guide to the best plants for your January garden. With these flowers, vegetables, and herbs, your garden will not only look amazing, but also provide you with fresh, delicious produce and herbs to enjoy. Finally, let's talk about watering. In winter, watering works a bit differently than in summer. Since it's cooler, there's less evaporation, so the soil stays damp longer. This means you won't need to water as often as in the hotter months. But here's the key: don't let your plants dry out completely. Check the soil with your fingers, and if it feels dry a few inches down, it's time to water. With these simple tips, your winter garden will stay healthy and vibrant all season long. There's something really special about winter gardening. While most people are indoors waiting for spring, you're outside enjoying fresh, homegrown veggies and colorful winter flowers. It's like having your own little paradise. But the benefits go beyond that. Winter gardening isn't just about what you harvest. Now, it also improves your soil for future planting. It helps cut down on pests, making spring gardening easier. Plus, it keeps you active and connected to nature, even in the cold. It's a great way to enjoy the season and prepare for an amazing spring. Winter gardening can change the way you think about your garden. It's not just something to do, it's a way to bring life and beauty to a season that many see as dull. You're not only creating something wonderful, but also growing your own food and making the most of each season. I still remember my first winter harvest. It was such a proud moment for me. I pulled out fresh, bright carrots in January while my snapdragons were blooming, adding pops of color to the frosty garden. That moment showed me that gardening doesn't have to stop when summer ends. You can enjoy it all year, even in the coldest months. And here's the best part: it's easier than you think. Once you start, you'll see how simple it is to grow winter veggies and flowers. The rewards are amazing, both for your garden and your well-being. You'll feel proud, connected to nature, and excited for what your garden will do next. We covered the unique joys of gardening in Zone 9 during winter. The best flowers, vegetables, and herbs to plant right now. Easy tips to keep your garden thriving all season. Now it's your turn. Grab your gloves, dig into the soil, and start planting. Your winter garden is ready to grow. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing what you're planting this winter. Let's grow together